Hello friends, welcome you all to this video about constitutional bodies. So in this video today, we are going to discuss about the next constitutional body, which is the National Commission for SC, Scheduled Caste. Okay, so what are the modules we'll be studying? First we'll discuss about the evolution of this commission and about the establishment, about the function of this commission, and finally about the powers of this commission. First of all, we'll study about the evolution. Okay, please go through this evolution very carefully because this evolution is common for both National Commission of SC and the next video, which is the National Commission for ST. Okay, so this evolution is very important. So how this National Commission for ST has been evolved, okay, that we'll study. Basically, this commission has Article 338. Okay, so this article initially gave rise to a special officer for SC and ST initially. So the main purpose of the special officer is to investigate all the matters, all the disputes, all the legal safeguards, to check the legal safeguards of the SC and the ST community. Okay, that is the first thing. Next, in the year 1978, okay, in the year 1978, the government passed a resolution for the establishment of a multi-member body. Okay, this Article 338 gave rise to a special officer, only a single officer. Okay, in 1978, government passed a resolution for establishment of a multi-member body called commission, a commission for SC and ST. Okay, this was also there. Special officer was also there. In 1978, it formed a commission for SC/ST multi-member commission. Okay, that is one thing. In the year 1987. This functions of this commission has been modified. Okay, there was some modification in the functions of this commission, and this commission was renamed as National Commission for SC and ST. Later, by 65th Amendment, the year 1990, what happened is government formed a high-level multi-member body called National Commission for SC and ST. Okay. This National Commission for SC/ST has been replaced by a high-level multi-member body called National Commission for SC and ST, and this special officer for SC and ST has been abolished. Okay, this was scrapped out, and it was a single body. Okay, high-level multi-member body called National Commission for SC and ST. And finally, the 89th Amendment 2003. Okay, this 89th Amendment 2003 bifurcated the commission of SC and ST into two. One is National Commission for SC and the other one is the National Commission for ST. Okay, that is how this National Commission for ST has been evolved. Okay, so starting from Article 338, it gave for establishment of special officer, single officer for SC and ST. In 78, a resolution was passed for creation of a commission for SC and ST. 87, this commission has been modified, the function has been modified, and the name has been changed to National Commission for SC and ST. And again, by 65th Amendment 1990, this was formed as a high-level multi-member body called National Commission for SC/ST, and this has been scrapped out. In 18th Amendment, this National Commission for SC and ST bifurcated into two: National Commission for SC and National Commission for ST. That is about the evolution of National Commission for SC. Now we'll study about the establishment. Okay. We'll talk about the establishment. That means about the composition, who are there. Okay, in this we all know that it is a high level multi-member body, which means there are more members. Okay, so about the composition of the commission, there is one chairperson, one vice chairperson, and three other members. Okay, so totally 5 people are there: one chairperson, one vice chairperson, and 3 other members. So these members of this National Commission of SC/ST are appointed by the president, and the service and conditions are also determined by the president, and they are also removed by the president only. So all with respect to president. That is about the National Commission of SC's establishment. Now we will talk about the important functions of this commission. So now talking about the functions of this commission, we all know this is the National Commission for SC. So obviously their function is to safeguard the legal rights and all the legal provisions with respect to scheduled caste. That is the main function of the commission. Okay, so now we look into the other functions. The main function is to investigate and monitor. Okay, so to investigate and monitor all the claims of the scheduled caste. That is the important function of this commission, and to inquire the complaints. If there is any complaints raised by the SC or ST communities, then that all the inquiries has to be done by this National Commission only. Okay, so that is one thing, inquiring the complaints, and recommendations to states and union territories. Okay, So this National Commission for SC has all the rights to make some recommendations to the respective states and the union territories concerned for the promotion and welfare of this community. Okay, that power is also with this National Commission for SC and ST. And annual report every year, this commission has to give the report to the president about the actions taken, and this president will in turn submit the report to the parliament. That is about the report. And consultation. Okay, either central government or state government, if they want to, if they are making any actions with respect to the scheduled caste community, then it is mandatory for the government to ask the consultation of this commission. Okay, without the consultation of this commission, the governments can't take any action. Or if, let us say, if they are a new scheme has been developed, if they are promoting a new welfare scheme for this SC community, then the consultation of this commission is required. Okay, that is about the consultation. And about the Anglo-Indian community. Okay, there is a special provision in this Article 338 for taking care of this Anglo-Indian community also. Okay, so this provision has also been included by Article 338. So all the legal safeguards of this Anglo-Indian community has also to be preserved by this commission. Okay, or any enquiries or claims, complaints with respect to this Anglo-Indian community is also to be put forward by this National Commission for SC. Okay. About the OBC, also this OBC provision was also present in this commission only. Okay, any rights claims or any complaints, all the inquiries, that was also done by of this OBC, other backward caste. Okay, this was also done by this National Commission for SC only. But in 2018, okay, 102nd Amendment, 2018 took out this function from this National Commission for SC, and it formed a separate body called National Commission for OBC. That we'll study later. Okay, so now this National Commission for SC has been relieved from the function of OBC, but Anglo-Indian community is still present there. Okay, so that is about the functions. And speaking about the powers, what are the powers of this commission? Okay, this commission has all the powers of a civil court while inquiring. Okay, while doing an investigation or inquiring into any complaints, it has all the powers of civil court. What are the powers of civil court? Like it can summon and it can inquire and summon, and it can ask for discovery or production of any document, and it can re-question any judgment of Supreme Court. Like that, it has all the provisions of powers of a civil court. That is the powers of this commission. So that is about the functions and the powers. The main function is to make sure that all the legal safeguards of this SC and ST community has to be preserved, and if anybody is violating those safeguards and rights, then this commission has all the power to inquire into that complaint, and while inquiring, it has all the powers of civil court. It can summon and it can take any actions, it can ask for production of documents, and it can re-question judgments. That is about the National Commission for SC and ST. Okay, so before closing this chapter, these are the main key points to take away from this lecture. I wanted to put forward a point here about the SC and ST. Okay, National Commission for ST we are going to study later in the next video. But what is the exact difference between this SC and ST? Okay, because in newspapers or whatever, if you are studying, it is commonly SC, ST, SC, ST. So what is the exact difference between SC and ST? Okay, SC means it is scheduled caste, and ST means it is scheduled tribes. So what is SC? SC is nothing but it is based on the Hindu Varna system. Okay, if you study about the Hindu Varna system, that is the fourth system. The fourth Varna is the untouchables. They periodically, day by day, they are now called as the SC, scheduled caste. Okay, but with respect to scheduled tribes, they are a marginalized sect based on the geographical locations. Okay, so STs are mostly present in the forest. Okay, so that is the exact difference between SC and SC. SC and ST. Okay, SCs are a part of Hindu Varna system. They are the untouchables, the lower level. They are there, and day by day they are just all the rights has been scrapped out, and they become helpless, and that's why this SC has been formed. And this ST or marginalized communities based on the geographical location. They are mostly tribes found in the forest. That is SC and ST. So that is about the National Commission for SC. In the next video, we will discuss about the National Commission for ST.